Assalamu alaikum. Today we will install Kali Linux in VirtualBox. Let's go to this site kali.org and go to the downloads, and here we have VMware and VirtualBox links. So click this Kali Linux VirtualBox images, and we can download this using torrent, or we can click the name of this image and it will download Kali Linux VirtualBox image. After downloading the image, just extract these images anywhere in your drive. I just extracted these images here in a folder, and double click this file. The extension is .ovf, and here we have the appliance settings. Click the import button and it will import this. So after importing the Kali Linux, you can click this start, normal start or anything, or you can click this start button. Let's click this start button, and here we have error, failed to open a session for the virtual machine. Click OK, and then click this settings button. I am showing you the settings that I have by default for this Kali Linux. We will change here in ports. Click this USB and uncheck this enable USB controller, and then click OK, and then click start, and here we have the menu. Let's write the username and the password. Press Ctrl F on Windows and Command F on Mac. After installing the Kali Linux, you have to go to the terminal. So right click on desktop and click this open in terminal. Let's zoom in. Press Command plus or Control plus in Windows. After installing the Kali Linux, we have to update it. apt get update, and here we have error, could not get locked. Write this command to see the running processes. And here we have 498. Let's kill this. Sudo kill 9 and this 498, and press enter. And after this, rerun the command apt get update. After successful update, now let's run this command apt get upgrade. Please remember this, after installing the Kali Linux in VirtualBox or VMware, always run these two commands: update and upgrade. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. If you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.